Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Today I'm going to show you how to take a dollar store picture frame and some clear glue and some food coloring and turn it into a beautiful sun catcher. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. For this project, you're going to need a deep picture frame with glass, clear or white glue, food coloring, hot glue gun with ample glue sticks, squeeze bottle with a wide mouth and nozzle, coffee stir stick, and paper towels. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make your glue mixture. And so what I'm going to be doing is taking clear glue. I like the look of the clear glue. You can use white glue, of course, if that's what you have. But I love the look of the clear glue because it comes out such a stained glass sort of look. You just take your glue and pour it into the wide mouth bottle. And this is why you want to use a wide mouth bottle, because it's much easier to pour into. Those small bottles are just so hard to get into, and even with a funnel, they're hard. Now, here's where you're going to be adding your color. And here's the thing, you just go to town on the color. Don't be shy about color. You really want to add a good amount of color. And then with your stir stick, you just want to stir it up. And the reason I use the coffee stir sticks is they're longer, so they can get all the way down to the bottom. And then don't get too worried if you've still got a little bit of color that isn't mixed in there, because what you can do, put your lid on, and then you're going to shake it up. And that'll mix it up too. Now you're prepped there for your paints, and you want to just have them all ready and set to go. So I've got all my colors. They're ready and set to go. And the next thing to do is prep my frame. So here's my frame. Pop out the back. You're not going to really need that. And pop out your glass. Take a look at your picture frame. If it has a really nice deep well in here, you'll be putting your paint on the front, like I did in this one here. See, it has a nice deep well. But if you don't, you're going to paint on the back. So the first thing, the most important thing, is we're going to glue the glass in place. So I'm going to put a bead of glue all the way around the inner edge here, all the way around, as fast as I can. You've got about 30 seconds with your hot glue, sometimes a minute, depends on your glue gun. So then I'm just going to lay that in there, and I'm going to pop it down so that it seals. This is important. You want to make sure that that seals really well. Let it dry. And then, again, as you can see, there is a lip here. So I can be doing my gluing on this side. Or if I feel more secure, if it's younger children, I might want to have them do it on the back. After you've glued, you want to lay another bead of glue along the inside edge, just to make sure that you're not going to get any glue leakage. And let that dry. Now, if I was going to let a little child do this, I would have them use the inner side here, the inside. But because I'm a grown-up, I'm going to actually use this side because I think it'll be prettier. So now what you're going to do is you take your glue mixture, and the reason that we use these squeegee bottles is because it makes it really easy to control. And you just start painting with the squeegee bottles of glue. And there is something really amazingly zen-inducing about this. It's really, I don't know why, but the feeling of putting the glue on the glass, there's just something really soothing about it. So you play with the colors, and then what you're going to do is just let the whole thing dry. Now, this is most important. It takes a long time to dry. It takes a good 2-3 days for it to dry. So you just want to set it out of the way where nobody's going to be able to touch it. And then just let it dry really good. And then when it's all dry, it's going to look something like this. Which, as you can see, I mean, I hope you can see through that. And it's like a stained glass window. There you can see the back side where I've glued it, but when you turn it over, you can't even see that. So don't worry about when you glue the back. But it's just so much fun. I'm just going to keep going here. I think your kids are going to really love this. I love it, to tell you the truth. For more fun ideas, check us out at sophie-world.com.